Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for continuous support and a big up on yourself. Gonna run come there quick and fast. Yeah, we have no tour if we talk for my news drop. Yeah. So people, me don't know what we call this. Bees flicks, bees mess. I don't know. But I know that this lady is making a real mess and a fool of herself. She needs to stop, She needs to stop now. This is too much. Every minute she run out. Dana. HTK. No, sir. Obsession is her portion. Yeah. So, she a go and know about this ticket them what she buy. Ticket them what she buy. So she buy 2 tickets for the gala. Yeah. And she say that the lady say only 1 ticket she did buy, so she come out with her proof. She put out her proof, say 2 she buy. But she used 2 different credit cards. So if you buy 2 tickets and you use 2 different credit cards, ma'am, it might be that's why the lady thinks I lie I tell, because if me was buying 2 tickets and me using a credit card, and 1 card me that use, and you say you're not coughing a fire and you know you have money, so 1 card that cover the 2. Yeah. So, yeah, but I feel say she needs some kind of evaluation, because this your behavior is not normal, as we say. It's not normal at all. Yeah. And to be honest, if you think about it, all of the people them that she mixed with, all of them in the same category. So we have to make it think say something wrong. She said she never look for no acceptance from the shop, and she don't want to go in the shop because she's a free thinker and all them something there. But it look like say she had look some kind of acceptance to me, like say she did want to go in the shop and she did want followers from over the shop because she go launch her business. And she said, so no, Missy, so. But Missy where she draw feedback may so resting people, I want like to draw people near me like that, but Missy she draw for Obia man. Yeah, Obia pastor. Yeah. Missy Obia pastor over her yard. Yeah. And me never listen to her, like me only listen to a little bit type, but him a fling. Me don't know him a fling, but him a talk about the lady over Florida. Miss Florida, him a talk about she. Yeah. And him a talk about her things. All a cuss bad word, because some pastor cuss bad word. Him a cuss a bad word. Obia man, now call him no pastor, because if a man no go like no pastor, yeah, put spell and all that on the lady. Yeah, so the man no right anyway, so she draw for him. Yeah, so and that me see. But anyway, me see where drama man there, Dwayne run out pan the bees. Him run out pan Queen Bee. Yeah. Him say she come put up type up on the in comment section and him address her. That she must stay in her mess. She come a look company. Yeah, and he don't want to be a part of it, because she run from place to place and give herself trouble. And now she not a mess, she fi deal with it. Yeah. So him say, how much camp in count up, how much camp she been in a. Yeah. From one camp to another, giving herself trouble. Yeah. So he don't want to be a part of it, and his relationship with the lady is totally different from hers, and she was doing too much. You see where she was doing too much and she did want followers. Yeah. A follower she not look. Yeah. When they see her, I post this and I post that and he said she did not do too much. Yeah. And that bit of news me get from over there. So yeah. So moving on now. Curly. Curly, I have Marley Gripe and Fluxy complain now, yeah, because the pastor buy the 10 ticket. She can't talk about it. So me see one post where pastor put out something about as that he will buy her a ticket and he will give her a first class flight. And they can walk together down the red carpet at the brunch, yeah. So I don't think she was very happy because when the person say, can I put my name see to a pastor yard, but it didn't over one other yard, and the person say, she put something in the comment section. People then fi kiss out her Bible. Yeah. So she yeah, she can't tap, she not happy. And it look like the pastor, but I wind her up even more. Yeah, she might wind her up and, it's like she feel aware how much money spent on at the shop. She count up the money and she say, pastor, should I give it to this and should I give it to that? But she can't tell pastor off for spending money. Yeah, can't tell pastor off for spending money if you want. Dash when money, I give money here and there, it's a fee money. So it just show you how she bad mind, eh? And she get more than that, The pastor say what she did buy and how much money give her and tell her to give it to the lady down a yard. But me no feel say lady down a yard I go get no money. Me no feel so. Yeah, me no feel so. And she couldn't pay back pastor, so she said she not gonna pay back, but me think I just talk anyway. But anyway, moving on when I talk about that Vidula. Moving on now. Tgal. Yeah, Tgal now. She had this up. She dissing up the bee really bad, She said she call her ladybug. She said she's lady. Yeah, she said she's a ladybug. She's a bug, not a queen. Yeah. So me see her around her shop. 1 minute she talk about things about the ticket them, but anything she talk about, she not defend Queen Bee. Really, because she hate such lady. She hate Dana so much. Anything what fit fling big stone or negative thing, she gonna use it. So she using the ticket now. Yeah, she using the ticket. And then she was talking about Saloni, what Saloni was on about. Down at the shop, she was talking something and she was going on about it. Saloni was talking about some Tony argument that she sell Tony. So my argument is, my thing about this party, what about Saloni's son? Saloni live with her son, innit? So shouldn't her son, the son know, say, if that's the case, say, whole heap of people are come there. 1 minute then says Saloni, mentally unstable, and the next minute, no, whatever Saloni says, right. Saloni do these things for people for laugh and attention sometimes. You don't know what is true. What is true and what is false with Saloni. But she lives with her son, so surely the son should know the galang in. So shouldn't the son report certain things, what's going on? The lady isn't it's not her daughter, her mother or something like so. Yeah. Why since she is responsible for Saloni, so her son lives there. So he knows what's going on in the house. So who knows what's going on? We don't know if the lady reported We don't know what's going on. She's not going to come out and say certain things on the platform. Because that's confidential information anyway. But anyway, the part when me get from it, I think her mouth slip. Because she mentioned that she was in Jamaica the other day. And she challenged some Pancatarians that come in our restaurant. I must have mentioned. Tell them a planker. And she said something. How can you support such lady? And whatever. And she said, and the woman ready for cuss her, but when the woman say her demeanor, the woman back off. And then, yeah, somebody's thinking that you don't hide enough for your channel. Definitely. Yeah, because she's in Jamaica the other day, you know. But the part what she said, this is a little part here. She said she go continue to send emails and letters. Yeah. She go continue to send emails and letters. And she email her and send letters to JLP government from time to time because of them in power, but them ignoring her. She said she have all the letters, then she just change the dates and she keeps sending them. And so she said run her little corner shop. So and that me come to tell you. To tell you no. Yeah. So yeah. So she said, yeah, so she diss up the bees and she diss up the lady down at the shop. She diss her up and I go on with herself around there. So anything when you don't want to know what's going on, go on at the little corner shop there. And that she used to diss up people. Yeah. So moving on. The next person will run out now. She run out and me here say, she run out. Yeah, she every minute she run out, to be honest. And since the saga going on, she want to put like say she defend the lady. The ladybug, as the woman call her ladybug. She want to defend her. But you know, she run in at the shopkeeper. She said the lady lie. Cause she tell lie upon her, cause she said she block her. And she no block her. Simple, slow. It will come on your phone, it will look like say you know block on your side. She don't understand, you know. Say when she type it show up on her phone, but nobody in the shop now see it. Yeah. And so me know it say it will show, but the person can't see you. I don't know if the people in the comment section. Sometimes people in the comment section can see the person that's been blocked, but the individual can't see it. I don't even think if it's blocked. If the person's blocked, they can't. The people in the comment section can't see it. But for the person that's typing it on their phone, it look like say them no block. Yeah, so she thinks that she no block from the shop. She had brag on her both. But me here say she get this too. If we take off our filter and our makeup, I think there's supposed to be a challenge and see who look better. But she take it off before. You don't want to see her without it. Yeah. You don't want to see her without it at all. Yeah. She not looking good without it. So don't ask for that channel because you'll have a shock. Yeah. That's why she not do it. That's why she always have it on. Yeah. The filter and everything on her face and the wigs them. And you know, say she look young. But you can't even really take notice of them people there because, you know, as I say, I'm mad people them in a clean clothes, me I go say. Anyway, for I'm done talk and she's please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.